Greetings there. This video is Grass Airdrop Task 101. This is everything you need to know about grass, from joining to starting to farm grass to how you can earn more to actually making it work for you on daily basis so that you can get the best before the airdrop. Okay, yeah, so I'm making this video because many of you went as far as sending me an email, so this is for you guys. I'm sorry if you notice any inconvenience in the background, and I'll be leaving the screen now so that you focus on my phone screen. In order to start earning from grass, you have to first of all join grass by clicking on the invite link that is pinned in the comment section right now. To open to this page where you fill in your email address and put in any username, input a password and put the password again to confirm it. Click on this I agree, these two boxes, you have to check them. Then you simply click on continue and a code will be sent to your email address. You just open the email address you imputed here and click on confirm email address. Okay, now it will open to a fresh page like this. There will be no earning, just your referral link. You click on it to copy your referral link and get to this. Next thing you want to do is to head over to your store, and then you go ahead and search for Mrs. Browser. Install this app. You also go ahead and click on open. Click on this option here. It is written Mrs. extension. Paste your referral code that you have copied, okay, and you click on the search icon, and now it's just going to load to your grass page again. So now that you see this page, this is how it should appear. In case you did not see a page like this, what you simply do is to go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right. Make sure that on this desktop side, this box is checked. All right. Okay. So let me zoom this so that you can see it clearly. Because you have already signed in, what you simply do right here is to click on login or input your username again. And then you also input your password. And now you go ahead and click on access my account. So your grass account will be opened again. Click on this image here, that's extension. You type grass extension. So when you search this, you just have to give it just a moment to load. I'm just going to choose an option that has to do with Chrome browser. Okay, so I'm going to be choosing this one that says reviews, download extension Chrome. This, so anyone you click, when you click on that option, you give it a moment to load. Let me zoom it so that you see it clearly. This is what you're looking for on that page where it says add to Chrome. Okay, so you go ahead and click on add to Chrome. You click on OK. Okay, let me shrink it again. So in case you see your screen like this, know that you're still on the right page. This extension is added to Chrome. Okay, that's why you can see the option for remove from Chrome. So you have finished the connection. Now let's get back to the Mrs. Browser so that you see how to know everything about your earning and control it. You start by clicking up here again, the extension icon above, so that it will open. Right now you're going to see the grass light node. Yeah, the extension of grass is now here, so you have to click on it. Anytime it's like this, you know that you're earning, it's connected. Okay, now you click on the dashboard. You get to this page again so that you'll be able to understand everything about this grass. All right, now we are in the dashboard here, and you can see what is written here. It says today's earning. I've earned 1.94. I just want to zoom it so that you see my screen properly, and you can see the most important thing here that you will always check out for. It says connected, so you want to make sure that this connected is always active. Now let me show you how to understand these things. You see right here they wrote earning statistics. So this earning statistics means so far how you have been earning from this particular grass extension. So every day, both the days you log in and the days you didn't log in, they have record of how you have been earning so far. So to make sure that you are always earning, you have to always click on this refresh icon right here and confirm that it's connected. Okay, it is very, very important that you do that. And you can see you can add other devices. You simply search for grass extension in any other device you have and use your username and password, and you will land in this same page that you have in this one device. So even if you have 10 devices, you can be earning from all of them at once, and there's nothing like multiple tab or multiple accounts. You can use one account to earn from everywhere. Okay, now let's talk about Grass Airdrop, which is under rewards. It is those things that you have to do to be able to get rewarded from all these things that you are doing. Okay, you can see there are 3 major steps here that you can undergo to actually get the best from this particular airdrop called Grass. Okay, now the first thing you want to do among these 3 is email verification, and the next one is to connect wallet. I have a video in this channel on how you can connect wallet to Grass, and then you can also confirm your wallet in your email, which is also in that video. Okay,